These apple muffins are incredibly moist and flavorful. A delightful companion to your cup of joe for breakfast or a delicious snack? Have a go at this simple recipe and you will definitely thank yourself later. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, grease the muffin pan with cooking spray, and align it with muffin liners. In a mixing bowl, add the all-purpose flour, white sugar, brown sugar, baking powder, ground cinnamon, and salt. Fold to combine, then set aside. In another bowl, pour in the apple juice, vegetable oil, buttermilk, and vanilla syrup. Add in the eggs, then whisk to combine. Add in the dry ingredients and mix until the dry ingredients are moistened. Add in the grated apples and fold until evenly incorporated. Fill each cup with batter until 2/3 to 3/4 full. Bake for 22 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. Allow to cool down for 1 minute before removing from the pan. Serve and enjoy! Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.